Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard obby in Roblox Studio. We will start by opening Roblox Studio and selecting a new base plate. This provides a clean canvas for your creation. Next, consider a unique theme for your obby. This will help unify your design elements. Then, begin building your first platforms and obstacles using the Part tool, focusing on simple shapes to establish your layout. Now, let's design some truly tough obstacles. Incorporate moving parts using C-frame and tween service to create dynamic challenges that require precise timing. Think about adding invisible blocks or very narrow platforms to test player accuracy. Vary the sizes and speeds of your obstacles, perhaps a fast-moving wall followed by a tiny, slow-moving platform to keep players on their toes and increase the difficulty significantly. Next, we'll add scripting to elevate the challenge. Implement kill bricks using simple touched events. When a player touches them, they are eliminated. Create custom checkpoints with scripts to save player progress, ensuring players don't restart from the very beginning after every fall. Also, introduce environmental hazards such as lava or falling platforms, which can be scripted to activate after a few seconds, adding pressure. Finally, rigorous testing and refinement are crucial. Playtest your obby extensively yourself, perhaps 10 or more times, to identify any unfair or frustrating sections. Then, gather feedback from a few friends or other players. Fresh perspectives are invaluable for spotting issues. Based on this feedback, adjust obstacle placement, timing, and overall difficulty to create a balanced yet challenging experience for everyone who plays your hard obby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.